This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, gather everything you will need before you start the update. Keep your PAN number and scanned Aadhaar ready for eKYC and verification. Prepare a clear digital photo and a scanned copy of your Aadhaar if the portal requests it. Make sure the mobile number you want to update is accessible for receiving an OTP. Also, keep an alternate email ready to receive confirmation and the acknowledgement receipt after you complete submission. Open the official NSDL or URIETSL PAN portal and choose PAN correction. Select the field updates you need, like mobile number and email ID. Enter your PAN and confirm your personal details as they currently appear. Complete eKYC by authorizing Aadhaar OTP when prompted, or choose to upload Form 49A and supporting documents if needed. Pay the processing fee of Rs 110 and submit the digital declaration to finalize your application. After submission, immediately save the acknowledgement number displayed on screen for tracking. Use that number on the same portal to check status until processing completes. Expect an SMS and an email confirming receipt and later confirming successful PAN update. If physical documents were required, courier tracking will show delivery and acceptance. Processing usually completes in a few days, so check status regularly and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.